Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. Know you talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Hey guys, what's up? It's DJ Nicole, or you can call me Deej here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any future videos. So I decided to tint my eyebrows at home myself. It is a better alternative if you don't want to pay the money to go and get them done at a salon. Then I would say that this is the best route to go. But I would say don't do it if you don't feel confident enough, because it is semi-permanent, but if you mess up, it is going to stain your eyebrows and it's going to stay on there. So if you don't like it, then I'm sorry, but you're going to be stuck with it. So if you are not feeling confident enough to do it, I would suggest don't do it. This is the product that I use. I use the Just for Men's Mustache and Beard Dye in the shade medium dark brown. And I got this at Walmart for about $7. Very inexpensive. And let me show you what it looks like. This is the color base, and then you have the developer that you mix equal parts. And you can reuse it, so it will last you like a couple of years. You only need a little bit of each. And yeah, I just think that it's a very great alternative if, you know, you want to save some money. So if you guys are interested in learning how to tint your eyebrows at home, just keep on watching. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to start out on freshly shaped brows, and I'm going to take a spoolie brush. This is an e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to take the brush and brush my eyebrows just to see the shape clearly. And then after that, I'm going to go in with some LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm using the shade Fawn, but you can use whatever shade you use for your makeup. And you're going to simply take that and you are going to outline the shape of your brow. And this is going to help so that you can see the shape of your brow when you are ready to apply the Just for Men's Beard Dye. Okay, now you're going to go in with your Just for Men's color base and the developer, and you want to take a little bit of each. So as you can see, I'm going in with a little bit of the color base first, and then a little bit of the developer, and then you're just going to mix them together so that they process evenly. Okay, so once you are done mixing, this is what it should look like. And then I'm just going to go in with a makeup brush. This is the Anastasia one. This is the one that you use for your eyebrows with the pomade. And I'm just going to take that color, and I am zoomed all the way in. And this is the speed that I was going. I did not fast forward this. So you're going to start in the middle of your brow. And as you can see, I'm starting on the bottom of my brow. So I'm focusing on the shape first, and then after that I will fill it in. But it's very important to start on the middle and the tail of your brow first, because naturally that part of your brow you want to be darker, and the front you want to be a little bit lighter. So you'll see me go in the front of my brow last, and I'll show you my technique. Okay, so this is the most important part of your eyebrow. As you can see, I am taking hair-like strokes, and I am moving that brush upwards instead of horizontally, because you don't want it to be harsh in the front of your brow, because it's going to look very drawn on. So if you want that natural look, then you want to do the hair-like strokes in the front. So right here, as you can see, I am starting to take the tail of my brow and extend it. And this is very important if you do not have eyebrow hairs there and you want to add hair, then go ahead and do that. And then right here, I'm taking a Q-tip and I'm just cleaning up the bottom of my brows, cleaning up the shape, making sure that I didn't get any of the dye in any places that I did not want it. So you can use a Q-tip. I would not recommend using your hands because it does stain your fingers. And while that eyebrow is processing for 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and start the other eyebrow using the same exact technique we used on the other, starting in the middle and the tail, focusing on the shape of the eyebrow and then filling it in last, and then doing the front of the brow in an upward motion like I showed you before. So as you can see here, I was a little freaked out by how dark my eyebrows looked, but I'm gonna go in and I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm gonna just wipe off that first eyebrow so that I can see what's going on. And as you can see, it's not as dark as you would think, but it was a little freaky to see it like that, but this is what it's looking like. And I am going to go in a second time and I'm just going to fill in those sparse areas. As you can see, there's still a little bit of my skin peeking through my eyebrow. So I'm going to go in another time and just fix that. And then I kind of wasn't feeling the front of my brow. I messed up a little bit on the bottom. So I am going to go in and fix that. But that's what it looks like so far. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Take a makeup wipe, wipe it off just to see what's going on. And then I'll go back in and fix that one as well. So I pretty much have the shape that I want right now. So the second application, I am mainly focusing on just filling it in, making sure that the sparse areas are all full and darkened to match my brow. So that's basically what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to just clean it up again with a Q-tip. And this entire tinting process can last you approximately 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how well you take care of it. So that's pretty much it, guys, and this is the final result. So that was basically everything that I did to get my eyebrows to look like this. If you like the result, go ahead and follow everything that I did in this video and give me a comment down below and a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.